yenko wonam krom sei pa futru ehon futru me pa cho abampele fo mu hona mesramo muhu ana mu fa ho ehon so de mu fa pa e de na ekoso mesre se sa kwan no monye me pa cho still me be me lines not to me e de amaw frame e de na titi won potem me ko monz mama ana sense ma fo ado abuja ngora ma ngomon ba kpokenu e kekam eziama tikobo number 1 number 2 e kane bade no olpalo mpapa su azu benyina ma bade no olpalo takra de fo sekunefo won kwa no oya na ana bibia ye fine ke ya master of the pride I have a color on the na what to say yeda nyakopas na ya all the way from Tano so na Tano so kwa no eye
Tano so kwa
okay and so we are be all right it sounds so nana yao inside Thanos nana yakopon ka ho na onye wakoma so ade nyina emfa emma wonso betimi afreme freme na yonko e dey na how e wo potem hello good morning me ba cho dey no baby afreme fi
but only free
still great. You tell I don't pay.
But so then person can say, "Let one that appear to a time you and people you only one say." The time to practice now they make an effect on my life. I don't know the better I'm in plan here. I know you are about to so to about money so catch you say let's go time na opposition when Mariana had yes remember yes na into na onu telephone ni scan na dey find Mariana extra life this can money ni so and let you ya buso ko ndo bila so e kasa de de and more
that's you for me na me question for the day no and no na was take it wait na watch so adwen e wo ho ope beautiful shades like I'm wearing now and then some of it my plate 0559306325 type ya ope bia no ye be ma obi ope dark ope plain me ba cho mo call our lines so hello good morning.
Hello morning
Bacho na what to say
everybody know Bible
ye da nyame as we did baby afemi free
this show make a film so assume
all right yenti wa no
this show is
yenti wa no pay
abaya boko na mu ba ko basara ko ni ti ni ba ka ko ma so mama so fo e pa man so fo
mo kwa ni
ye kwa ni be ma lo ya dan fi di shamba wala na ko so ma wo ni sa dan so ya dan fi di shamba pio ma ya ble ifli anya kwanta bisu bibia ma ya bi papa ifli afrewa bisu ya nkai ma ebi honye ebi honye na afili ya ba toro de na ma no zuma nya no mai de no information de manso
mate
o ya se ni no mama
mate
e ken de am de nta so
me pacho
na me ya ble to ma ya
nyame sha papa o so betimi afre from area kwanta etu say oh my god baby a police for no me da obo area kwanta to go as paris kwa bi ye mo ye kwan no na kaka na fi bridge no ho no e dey kon chain from area kwanta to bridge no e ko si baby a police for no ejina nyina no me pa wo penifo mo hwe wasem na mo ka emfa emai na ye bre papa hello good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet, me ba cho what to say.
Ba mo ya ko ba ma wo ko.
Ye da ya so ya ko pa dum prophet me so me ho ye pa. Ye nti wa no pay.
but the make a more contract and about to power or coins any year and you can be done and then the man to the money from Kobale. Okay, empty I yet collect to you a cool madam Kwame. But the money you know exactly. Oh, we didn't believe one of them by and police work. It's kind of more spending. It's like a more. You can say you oh, money to do the also. It does do more on class here. I know, some of the customer will not be here. It is a company that is going to form a big anything local and call you and take a move for you. I'm not going to come. It's from me. I'm going to talk on you. I'm lying. Bye-bye. Now, for is Papa. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. My jaw summed off within baby. I'll frame me free. Mama. Yes, so. Not every call the month is Sukuma. Right here to baby. If you do a quantity area, look at the corner also come to the mind. The Greek one, a quantity kitchen. You know that you could get one and you have to put two. It wouldn't be able to buy it. It wouldn't be as long maybe. But in what to do for them, when you can't say everything that's available, you can really go out. You can't put them out of the spontaneous. Let me choose one of the class of that. You are never going to come to you. That was the time you saw your first your time. If you say about the time, the police are very good to one now. Before the video, what I need to get out, the hour of the all of them will be running away. Later on, they did the investigation, like you know, they discovered a woman that way. You know that? Again. Papa, again. When man to the woman will be in the there. Lacking. In 30 years, in 30 years, one people up to 5. You have to have the written up about that and continue. Yami is similar. Alright, also go to me Alfred Fena Yanko 0202668461. Of course, give me a call now. Now Yanko and ATT will put me last call and after me try me home. Ako Abame Ba. Of course, now Yatsaso. We are live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Samdakos Initiative, Samdakos TV. So you stream live and subscribe to your channel and like your page and comment and share now a for so in your be. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Nyamia don't know you. What we did it. Okay. Alright, Papa, now on your Swadi, Mao, so me afraid. So give me a call now. And operate 36 minutes after 6 a.m. and see from me na Yanko and then I tell put them again and how frame me now I can see don't get tired because bra and one up you
You shouldn't get tired at all. So why well, beautiful. You have your last call and after you know, me my evangelist Akwaba na your mumra yensim numa anope. Last caller, hello, good morning. Oh, what's very just still no make him last caller, Emra na yonko. Alright, give me a call now and let's go. Again, and how put me live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darko's initiative, Sam Darko's TV and so. Hello, last caller. Hello, last caller, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Joe Subemena, would you baby after me free? Alright, you ain't
I'm back there.
Maybe I saw Baba at the right time. It's one on call you one pay. Oh, okay. Me fa Kobia Ebium. Also obey me. I share Facebook page. No, they are my Facebook. I Koowaa TV GH. Koowaa TV GH, YouTube Koowaa TV GH bia enso so na fe Sam Darko's initiative Sam Darko's TV so no je live alope Koowaa ibedi no and senche bia and His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana flag bearer elect for the New Patriotic Party Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eba bonte ebe kan say it's me the Ghana card toka enyina nelo na ankoya amfama kofu mamanfo etwene abasa social media no sunu krum ha manyasem kitomo hey and I say mitwita me Ghana kada na me dia ko big garage me ko ya me se me toka eno anse me tabrika ne bi ne dia mame na chese me kwa kotinem na me dia didwuma bi e wo se me didi na no na stand yankrofo sikwe nsemi srani abasa cabinet vice president so wotimu se na nye nika no ama vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Abontin obetwensa o se enyesa na ope actually watching sign the immodem face so no headmaster CBI I take dictate omo enche bia some few days ago and it is say omo agigi no ma bia nanka ensem fata say I was so omo agigi aban say don't collect this, don't take this, don't take that and that and that then so no omo ntimi amfa anya adwuma omo agigi enu ma bi na say isika o say dey on am so ma aban no I interdict omo na no and ankofa babonta ka say we dey me allegation no allegation say ka sem say abadia e wo sanka ban eto no bo no hwehwem no ho say net no kwabi wo anase no kwabi nim so abati ya no interdict wo mo e no na msma akofo ka say even kwa no wo schools ni bebre ya kwa ni bebre kwa nya aduane eni na be den e na wo munyi sika bi na wo motimi e de ahwe enkra no e no e ho komo e na no pain je ba be the latter part of the show e be bi ahomachofo na tum e de ama wo so no wa free na enkomo no wo de wa dwenche e de aba right about now evangelist Richard Pra or NDC communication team member for Ashanti region what na say make miracle kwentwi so abra ono so bono so MPP communication team member ma mefia na mema evangelist Akwaba na ye munwa yensim ni mu evangelist Pacho Akwaba
amofe medasi
majosto
no pay menka se uwaefe
Pacho medasi
abasubodi ebi wo e wo se mpanyini ma wo saka
medasi
mu se ne esi aefe nti member na wo se menso me dress na member
esa wo hwaefe
the radiation nti ene ye be koyensem no menhye obi a ohwe ye enkran se uko Proverbs 3 verse 5 also trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. Fa wakuma nyina je Awurade di amfa wo honto wonti ase eso nipa ye nti ase ye normal ye fa no abraboyi mu ne asase so ne ye kire wo fie ne wo society ana community awom se ne omusi ye omo normal fa se ne omusi kasa schools aye be ko ho ne ekofa sa anti ase but sa no ma we nyina ye limited e wo ba bi ekopem enti emfa wo nto de wunim bebre de wunim no obi nim chen o enti abe bia no yemfa ye ho nto Awurade so na ono na enima de nyina ono na ma nipa nyansa ni nim de Bible amama tiase se nia ohia nyansa no mbi se Awurade na ode bema no nti me hye obi ankran se na no pai yema yakoma nyina yedo wo awurade munya kase de dikan se yebefa emofra ne school no any headmasters ya interdict omona mami lay this on this platform, this record say NDC as a political party in tier free SHS. In fact, abakosam ebema nyina ya atiase say constitution kura 1992 constitution aye use na neno aye PNDC then any Ghana fobi ene tena ase a omode emra yemfa nchichire oman no ebaye na 1992 constitution ewo mu say ye secondary school enye progressively free chese ye koye nimu yenye ntutu yen kakran ne nkoduru baabia ye betumi akase baabia ye breed awofuo onfa moma emra school free because ye adan na mofra ne hia aban ede amomo a adan enye problem eye laboratories books ne akadie bia omuhia no ai wasa aban ye na aban ede amomo enti awofuo baabia eduru die monso monfa no kwa nanso ye wone sa aban bia babia from 1992 aye enoma na ede ye ko nkakra enti wo behwa secondary schools President Rollins ACCB President Koowaa so ba the model secondary schools ebaye Professor Mills John Dramani Mahama Professor Mills baye no na President Koowaa aye secondary school 4 years na third year and fourth year no abe crash and the numbers were huge until the emergency system bi ba ya yesisi schools ni bi akeka de wo no ntem and yesande ko 3 years within 6 months na bibia ye boko ana his excellency John Dramani Mahama so sha ase say yebesi e-blocks community bia enya secondary school bedroom pempenso a enhye dan ye enhye ne saade se obi wo miemfa ne se ye wa santimam obi wo kwabre a onbesene nko ebia BA ho onko secondary school central region obi wo se mo onbesene nko nkran obi wo nkran yemfa nko to Volta region ne ade anka community bia betumi enya ne secondary school ho anunti his excellency John Dramani Mahama yes obesi 200 e-blocks all con within 4 years all con na we see 123 na emu 50 ana yewi a yete yensa wo na me ne wo kasai ebi da ho aka nwuram 7 years na Dubai ebi da ho aka nwuram a yewie ye enti wo hwa secondary school no how bebre wo ho awofuo beji atum free SHS ibaye no kura wo mu ne se ama nkamofra bebre entumi nko eye fact eye free no bebre eko but eye free ni yemisa ye ho se how bi ani ho how bebre wo ho empa ahe ne yente se emofra aduane o mbedi wo school ewo aye na empire he ana yente se mofra baby omo beda secondary schools ni bi ewo ede how bebre ene wo enso na na do dankwa ne MPP aban wunya na uko kampe ne ye de wonga ahyase no free SHS no mo hyase no eno man start say ebuboba and teachers bebre a ekoka ye interdict bebre secondary or the headmasters bebre ye interdict omo that was in 2017-2018 yeti bebre eneno dey biom na asanso aba ni ayati ne se headmasters bi dodo na ewo asantemantam ha omo agege sika bia ye frɛ no unapproved fees kyerɛ sɛ aban ɛma kwan sɛ wɔn gyegye saa sika no na yɛn bisa yɛn ho sɛ headmaster bi sɛ ɔgyegye 20 cedis 50 cedis 80 cedis ɛnɔɔma a wɔn sɛ wɔn de yɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛde tɔ A4 sheet ebi wɔ hɔ wɔn sɛ wɔn de tɔ petrol ɛyɛ fuel ne saa adeɛ no headmaster bɛn na saa nneɛma wei ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔbɛbɔ ne tiri mu pɔ sɛ mɛgyegye awofoɔ esika mɛgye 20 cedis mɛgye 50 cedis mɛgye 80 cedis nea ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn nyinaa adwene kɔn ho ne sɛ ɔhaw ɛwɔ schools.
ɛmu ti na mo headmasters no agyegye sika.
for me as ɔwofoɔ no yɛwɔ PTA parent teacher association wọ́n sɛ abɔfra nteteɛ ɛnyɛ nipa baako adwuma wo ɔwofoɔ no koraa mbo no ne nyinaa nyɛ wɔ adwuma ɛna mete ha yi me mma ɔmo kɔ school ɔmo du school mu wɔ a ɛyɛ akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no asɛdeɛ kɔpem sɛ ɔbɛba enti PTA ne gyina hɔ sɛ abɛn no bra no yɛn nso yɛbɛkɔ school hɔ ne yɛkɔtie teacherfoɔ yɛkɔtie aban ɛne deɛ obi ayɛ na yɛn nso awofoɔ ne yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ɛnɛ no wokɔ baabi bebree a PTA no koraa nyɛ adwuma aban sɛ ɔbɛyɛ biribiara ɛnso ɔntumi enti for me sɛ ɛnɛ yɛse headmasters akɔgye 20 cedis 80 cedis ne adeɛ na yɛ interdicte ɔmo a for me I feel sɛ ɛyɛ very harsh sɛ wotie Charles a ɛyɛ headmasters ne adeɛ ɔmo association a ɔmo sɛ ɛyɛ very harsh in fact nhwehwɛmu bɛn na ɛkɔɔ so nhwehwɛmu bɛn na ɔmo yɛɛyɛ a ɔmo tumi hu sɛ ampa sika na ɔmo gyeeɛ no ɛyɛ biribi a ɔmo de yɛ anaa ɛnyɛ biribi a ɔmo de yɛ enti wohwɛ a wokɔ phone so wobɛtumi ahu Charles surprised at GES action to suspend headmasters yɛhwɛ adeɛ bi sɛ nnɛ obi ɛyɛ biribi na yɛbɛyɛ interdicte na yɛ current educational minister ɛnkyɛ biara World Bank ɛde sika bi baayɛ sɛ ɔmfa ndi dwuma bi ɔde sika no kɔyɛ biribi foforɔ adɛn na ɔda ho ate hɔ ne interdicting millions of dollars ɛno nso wobɔ a wobɛhunu wɔ phone no so educational minister headline educational minister convinced World Bank with fictitious report.
Enti the mpese me bitan say evangelist answer na mekwa koma miracle kwentwi akwaba no mpese mbisa say does it mean say dem dey bisa earlier no enoma bi a enkoyi wo schools ni bi enoma bi a mofa ne nya ena ma usu say head master say agigi sika na agigi no ma enam so ama buy no I interdict wo ana
absolutely say minua kasa wie na mreba na wo kase secondary school headmasters any how ekosu awofo a ehwe enfre no monka wo betinsem bebri ne wo ne se aban support ne noma e wo so de ko secondary school ebekọ kura ebi wo eche headmasters nso omo so ya awofo they cannot sit down ehwe se embofra no emra na noma bi omu hia eni ho aduane ne saa no ma nyina emaye aban de baba emaye na omo hwe mbofra no how omo so ya awofo enti they feel say parents and contribute to bibi kakra kopem say aban ede no beba no no mo fa nso so no ma no it was unapproved and no there omo nyina agitum but I think say harsh say you interdict omo
bra kwakwanchi akwaba bibia boko
nyame adom bibia boko
ye da nyame ase anopen so abetom any topic na ya nugusa can headmasters ya interdict wo mo amafo say allegation because I was saying him and sana ya interdict yo mo people are even claiming say most of the schools ne kra na nkwa ne bibrenye enuane kra ni any idea. They better than car headmaster. So when you just come across, no more to me the video. What would you say about this? Because why I was so.
Now, mention on mention you know magic pressure or social media and TV so and YouTube near dinner. Now mention me evangelist. Me mamu money adwuma. Mention me betting penny for. General secretary, organizer, and chairman, and then penny for Kanyina and Chobia. Now, my chairman MP. On a boy NSC when you may come out MP. Mabanabaso. Last week, Saturday, or Kola, or secondary school.
Okay.
Our more come out constituency. Or Salete school be a nipper 2, or top 2. Or more Kola grade.
Right.
How only day school no top 2 and the school bia a war community bia no nyankola 2 free nti e ka bom na se nkola be 100 a chekwa bi kwa saba but official list was 100 nti o ma akola bia trunk and the chobos
okay
how the school
all right
and na no echi was a man o mo so exercise book esa aka ho nti e bona baso and the jumadia with the man your consorts no
beautiful
young MP and find so by there when you're graphing already 5 months because it's 7 months nti abana baso ni jumadia would na afi so mema mabusu afo so ya komi wo fani mpon eda fo
we dey
nyame adomo a eye ebeda ebe na wo twese na pepe ni be di one week nti mema busu na yakọ so dan na me tie menua evangelist no na me dwere ho se ada in politics no adibia so your opposition adibia beba bia na o se wo de so bo abo aban na na wona nwanwa because say dwumadia anuanum di ya fa say ma me no na bepa no mu edi na ayafo no mu di ya I entered to the first question is say na ss omo ya na omra kwanso ana ss omo ye that's ss omo ye no ma ya asotwe wo ho ana na sense say etwe omo aso ena wo say ye hwe atebeta da bia na ye say enye ma aban ti de meka bia no wo say na de besi bia wo say de ho ntanse abo abanya ase ne say in any case wo headmistress wo wasedi say ufidi secondary school ana ko da area no etwem sa area na wo headmaster ye wasedi wo ne domestic headmaster na back beza for naked back storekeepers no na mo wasedi say mo na mo ko penuane e de free school no etwem
okay
enyo na wo to enuane ne bio e di say school ni nya duane ni a enye wo wasedi say wo ko hwe sika de be
so mo be show mama
me ba ye Ghana for ba bia wo say den sa atre
okay
nti enya ma Ghana for wo say one also ye we ya onye ye ne mfa so bo no mo no wo nkofa ho ebenya asem whatever sabio akoto say obi na obi eku a wasedi say pata enye wasedi so ko ntokwa ni bi na so pata na say entia o so wo twem na akọ ba na wo jama omo amra e hye won so mo hwe mra so ene omo edia what you say
sir
menya kwanya atie e ma me Cassandra o kasama tuma mpofu o kasama ye friend say Ghana ministry no an education service no asemo o dey to dwane say sawe omo ye nyina no omo dika kwashe headmaster bia
okay
then on say last year ekenye ne say yasoma adwe ni o wo hawo na wo ho enam na o kase ye won kwara omo anya automatic placement o omo ko chusu school ba wote hu dede bia enko so ye won kwara awoso omo ko school a naka omo passport so de ko school no omo ensaka omo de ko school po mo saka before kwa say wo go school ho won ti so ofobia ka say ye bu me ko eti we nyina che say Saturday na ekoso transporters educo school ni nyina no na ye bo apayo ene na ebinim person mo ye edi penti face just say papa egu aban ya oteso egu fi ente saa ekanema last week na me ka say bed kra no meti na me se kra for says say akwala wo ko school transporters wo di ko school plastic check ho eno kwa danten ya saa fidi spray machine dey spray nwai eno so bi ka ho
but you know no let me ask say be so say be nyaado adenti na ban no wanya abutre anhihim
meba ho wo eti saa ne mewe nyina ne yade a headmasters ne headmistress ne bi ye
okay
edi go afidi a display nwade wo je edi na wo de ye eye akwara oba school asade say won na bedo school ana
no
eye akwara oba school asade say won na to konwa school ana tapi because by peer be issue konwa bia no abaya provided
okay
omo conference one room sir I say anase omo kan say assembly ho a omo tina dudu na hia didu akese no abaya du konwa gu odada enti plastic chair no wo de koye dai ana wo de kosu ne dormitory ho no obetra so anase say me we nyina wo dwon ho antiase enim enti we nyina acha say bo apare na ebi mu ye e de sa aban no dwumadi ene free se che be ye beka say enye papa enti de me punu ye kwa metimi me ka nsakwa simpo aka say ndc for mo headmasters na de no be ye sa na man de ati aban because anya wonwa because free day one ndc enka say papa free enfan ka free se che so da e be si sabre no bia
was oga say ndc ni bia ni ho ane ba benefit on this free SHS
as what is almost as back free SHS eno what the emergency no workers ne back obi what I say as what in some or can adia fam then na asim fam wa de bia me ka say say we opposition eno che say adwuma aba ni de be bo man no oso etia o wo e wo say de wo so wo timi ye de boa because that bia no wo so benya kwanya beji o man no so bi obofo onum so ba wi ado ati o e ko be hu ye na se wo ba na be di o man so na ban school na asaya mo so no maka say vi na ye very mu man e vi na ye utimi fa nye o man yi e ti wo o man na asaya ana school na asaya education na asaya na wo be di o man so 4 years no wo be timi da ye ni ye na what the one go nyama na e bi enye ye e to se di aban no otiso wo ye ma na e so bo ama na ko ye na oba wo so atimi ato aso te da bi aka sa aban mu no ye continuity no wo so atimi ato aso ba we die ensen ko a ne nko a ne dwuma ye die oh sa ne man kiti we ya na ma education ministry says no afi die school bi eni won kwa say wo je transporters obreko a ministry no yama transporters a was school bia de eje me can dey say no that na be bo other headmasters in bizu abaso because manjia ma say anya na mi hwemu amanya ma ya amahu ni say school bi wo ha sa transporters ya centralized transporters ya aban ede bai and ministry ede bai no e school bi wo ha o hwemu a o se da bi niema we ye hia ne bebre nti sakola bia de ba edi en balance no edi se me prayer na se me de ba onzo fa asewu abra edi nya prayer efo na nya asewu efo na me ye nya prayer bebre ye nya asewu bebre saa no mo ye no a de ko eno che se we na o de boama aban no dwuma de o de de akoso e na o pepama ye friend say ade che na o che no o professional na nya de wo ye tie dwuma na wo die no what I say eti die ye ma me kasadra kan ne say before say omo de sa centralized prospectus we buy omo ne chas heads of friends omo kan say
headmasters no
omo association no
okay
omo mu shiai ye meeting catch omo say adi say and also school bi are oje ewo school
so no munim no me wo
ama almost out from the consequence and listen to her very carefully ama any pa no interview no buza say na mo ka we nyina we mo ka tetwe ho a kire mo say ya ka kire mo So one year the yes I was someone no you better one so they are aware and then they know the consequences oh now me just say you can say entitled to be I don't just say you in a deal ya juma ya Jeffrey nsa one twe no ho na yenye hwehwemu the answer see
eh come ye hwehwemu wi ansa
dabi enye
you rather pack
enye
na hwehwemu no nkoso come ye wi no mu nsenye sei na tia na esa from
sanity dan na die tie nie ba bi a wote sesi na me se ma ade afra to ho na me be hwehwa wo ko so tena ho me hu ade nana ade se wo sorry asa na me ma hwehwa se wo ho ana se ni ho what you say it is a pepe na kosi abanka say anasa education minister ga say we you omadi o so why enter to won tro na ye ampa aso twa na me nyama yo it is a do maka nyina na ye no kwasa ampa de ense say we ye de a aso twa no ho de be mawo what you say
okay so do anu sin
na aso twa no ho de be mawo ba manya na tie kwa say ebirum kwa de a omo ye no eno kwa de ebetu don wache wo
okay
esa say omo de ne de na akwai say ebia niema bia omo hia wo ho school ho na de ba nti de omo hia no na nka ho na omo awofo ne de eto mai
okay
enti say we no what me justify yeah e dey just say anfa na juma de enti we nya asem wo say e kana de sobo entansa ko bob ba paint ze abai na ya de a enye oh e basa na wonim de cheda e basa na ye hye headmasters no kutupa say the answer so me bia so me because ye onkofo bia e ba ye de be sha ban bra ye bra kana hane no no because bibi e beti bia o ba bia de answer
all right
dan me nka emma ayi abusua ye a na no ya ranga janshi accident e see ho ya wada ade be chi ni 2 weeks I be see ho no the same place o na esa ko see
na that place quite dey very dangerous we share senior one city a moto ton ade na
ehu na ti arehu sem ehu me ti sa area ho eti me kofi me koduo na asi na uma bi wo ho a me tono ne ho bread wono wo this side eti me ra na me see first me ni ko di nko ha me ka jense me turu fo so hwe ne ho yie wo ho a wonye careful because bibia betimi asi ana eti ba na no ana me kudu ho na ye a me hwe de besi bia na me ko ho se me ko hwe no eti me ko na ho no ni me di nko na me tunu ana ono kwa na ka jem se asema na na wo kan wo ho na me se ai na me ka jem me gusu a me tunu fo afa obi gida ncha asema wo kan se ah ye ni ma me bia ye ni papa ye ni ofa bia o me eska ba ha ya na betra ata ye ye kwatna
okay
eno danten ya mi ko fie no ehwe bibia ya mi ko fie no me ti se mente mi nu bi ba me hia o ma adi ye leaders no omo muaye leaders no omo muaye ene ye mahi na mso so leader moa ba bia wote to ade no enye ka ebekun enti ade se leader na ka je so ho na opamo so a waza ka se mento aba oh sa blackmail no ene ma abai etimi nyade o so ye de bo me nka MBB aba me nka NDC abai bi abeto maka we attitudinal issues aye wo problem aye wo Ghana say ya hwe ni here Nyankopon kwa betra o man so a say ya na be ye ya say Yesu ba ya oh ya decide na say tum ye ntoba na hwe ka betu fa so we abai no wonte wo enipa na obeto aba ma no no wonto ma no wonte wo ni buzu ani kan wana dabi da politician ma ni buzu ani metra enya na ka mekuno betunu fa ma na trafi na wo betra ho me nto aba ntina betra so wo ne tra no to aba ma me na wu yet ya say yes ba ni nya bibia bi ensa kire aba so anya sa o ma no enkoyi
evangelist kakakra
ho fe dan enye nwanwa se momfa ncha me nua MPP ni me peke nsem ye no pe o say ono to him no politics akoye se saban ye bibia ye mbonachi eno na NDC ye hu bibi pa bia ye de bia bibi bone na ye bisase ye amanyo semu a me a me wo opposition mpanyine se di wo twasa ohun se na chi achia eno ntina even parliament ye wo minority ye wo majority wonim so mu nyina ban tuya omuka enka minority de say ne party awini onye minister onye adenti na ban tua meka eye say abrofo bi te say mo beba ban mu ni ebenya enkrofo bi e be check mu say enye minority e wo parliament anka mo ECG kura PDS enka mo aton ama nka ne ye nim ba bi ayewo PDS ba ye sika on bagije ye mo de aba and mo de mo ba power yenja wo na de mo pa bia mo nye mo nse o man nko obi anye di because MPP na wo power na do na ye president how but mo opposition there you shout from the rooftop there na ma mo nya power entro amoka che Ghana for omo a ensem enimo kan ye ne to wontim ene ye bitumi ma mo se yenye dai yenye din because mo na mo ho fe mo di ade enyansafo e mo wai mo ba senior ye beka ne china mo ko opposition even though with this your mess no I don't expect you some opposition munye din what the American yeba his excellency John Dramani Mahama ba no ye bibi na enya amonka what ya se no man no yenko yanim ne etosu mienu enya nwanwa minu ase am say masters no krampo yes ade omo ya NDC for wo kan na wanka embo woni prepare entna
o se obehwempo no
obehwempo enye nwanwa senior
one ye no ene dia moka no ene omo ye ndire nwanwa
okay
me di si from no ye hwe schools any headmasters no maka ho Mrs. Selina Anane Afuakwa headmistress of Kumasi Girls.
Okay.
Mr. Nathaniel Samuel headmaster Asanteman. Oba schools no do na ya Ashanti region. Enti wo nsusunye bi kura se wo gu omo anim ase a. Ashanti region headmasters of institutions omo ya NDC for. Enti no omo gigiska.
Now, how would you know say maybe almost no the other way around?
Madam, you see, Obia want a right, say political party.
You can't know, say,
but as someone by Nayaka, Mima for the side of the headmasters, even Charles, almost statement. I know na Mimi Jina Soka, Headmasters Association, almost someone who can almost say, binding on one ye. So me choose you on one side and my phone was 7. Also wa buy mu what for buy side. So at the end of the day no eye den kura wo ka say ase omo ye NDC for. What say asem no because me bet na man ka say omo ye MPP for and omo ye CPP for. Obi ato naba ba ade a omo ye no make I say e unapproved. But yem fetri yes na yanka SHS hono or how be any ho
okay
ade na be ma headmaster e bi kura mpo yes de omoje ye omoje eno ma omoje ye na e bi ye books house dues calculators printing slips files him books madam san no ma we nyina aban na de beba student me man ko secondary school no aban be ma me man so him books sa aban de be ma omo ye mbisa ye ho se omo ko school juwa dai aban de him books na ma omo enti amba ye no me ma omo nto hymns o hwe me him ma omo nto hymns e dia o man kura ne ye chichi
da me so be ma me
adi o man ni ye
the communist topics so
adi o man na ye chichi
all right
senior wunim say your chance yes sister
evangelist go ahead please you go ahead
matna ha kasa
evangelist what do you call
yes sir
just go ahead
enti the year can say one headmaster mpo next month no call pension one of them next month no call pension
pension
why adwuma What dear for system over 30 years. Over 30 years. Next month, and no pension.
And interdicted.
Yeah, interdicted. Say, yes, you money are the benefits in incentive to me.
Oh, and it's impossible. They can't say they will not pay him his benefits.
Oh,
interdicted means your benefits are not really going to be paid to you.
Oh, you can ask. Let's find out. Yeah, it is deemed say why bonnet.
Okay, into the one.
I'm on the side of the headmasters and headmistresses. Minimum or how many money amunem. Sana ufo bi anim. Nanso akobanesa.
Okay.
Ya say mo ya NDC for medase.
Me go kwenchi 2 minutes per se stop.
Say onim sa issue by me kwana medwere ho sa adentina headmasters obi a ya mam instructions specific instructions say na monye na wo sa contrary to the yakase menye nti onto say me tie Cassandra no na mu say ne eye boapayo because onye boapayo a per free SHS rules no headmaster bien ho no so ogisika bi afi ofo bia abayaka wo de ye wo adwuma say administrator ye wo adwuma say headmaster
sir
what you say yes men gisika bi anfiri ho se school ni say a abai ne de so bo bebo no enye wo what you say himbook na wo so okoto himbook ma ya na iska na okoje no himbook no na okoto no what you say and no me kan say my wife no a storekeeper
okay
ojaye adwuma no o school bi a me person me body ojaye adwuma no unim awo so mo mi say ebra ya ware ya ni 2 months pepe was me jaya adwuma na me say I didn't hear and no man reasons was say storekeeper school no ho no bibia efa ko no a school no obo aban ni bia no ho so na efa because storekeepers no eniane ni books ni ta bia ho na was say satem a trash it top and die books baako ntare baako e dia belly form afo belly anu anzu gudem me eji hu skadi what I say it is an emere nyina bo sa o kan yaram say no na so baby de o kan yakura na sa abubu mi ni say na asamba nso a me ene be hold the responsible what I say na me say ene so baby what I say eti enya ni kan say mo ma headmasters ni bi because why baby no mo form ade efri you know na asama na make onzo tia no oye ne politics and then evangelist agu no wani mu as papa etiwe na kare kope MP di wo NHIS no say na nka wo de koye e wo parliament say only opposition a e wo say ne ma enye nko na wo so woka sada wo say tia na enti mo fo ni American fo ayesu o mu politics ya ye practice o mu die bi no sada o mu parliament na senti aban ne ya de enya wo opposition ti o say wo ya de ye kra so o kan ho asem na anje say oboa dan ra wo kan ba ne wo abam ye wo abawumia bom dia me pem me ma mu ase because na ekoji tumi amaye ade alternatives ni wo abawumia amfa ama constructive criticisms any eye enye ebegu emu no amomo ye no etusi a ne eche umie waja se eye sa opposition wo ho eye se obi a wotwasa wuni wati ne ntino wu so wati ache de odu wati ne oso did wa wudi ache no enti de ache angwa na ehu ana
all right
waje ase na enti sa atsa no yesetere no eye tere ne se o so o ka se asana che wachi ocho na oko eye wo so wo tere se aha na wo de afa na che bia bobonkuma na se konifa waje ase enu na MPP abane ye no ye waba umia enu o ye no 2016
okay
e ma Ghana fo no e ma Ghana fo mu zampa MPP abai eni de betimi abuo
all right
na sefem what you say etu ya minority wo parliament ndia wo de what say dia ne say de NDC for wo mo ti ase so wo de ntia parliament mo yes ane ma no so wo de ntia solity ya say ye ma enyi 11 no e bo ho de wo page ne say enye wo de ntia ye solity free SHS because enye ne dia enye na aban ntia e do say etia so ade e be bo man no enye no ye de ho say aban o je so de be di nyim na Ghana fa bona baso ade baba aban ntino ene ye nkasa nye enye wa because ye wa ma ka kire omo NDC for ayi your friends papa former minister okaje say okoto say who is that pontia kase udwan no ya kasa so nyina akire wo mo wo mo twa na no zo mo communicate wo mo ye tire wo mo twa no mo ye nyina no ane so kwan fa so ntwa so da na don't forget wo mo din na de do mo so no and the ferry any amanfo Ghana for who mo tuntu mo sadi no ne for mo propaganda secretaries for who and then also your communicators.
Thank you so very much. Of course, moving on.
So propaganda that you man no and one no we akwana ocho on the kitchen so okay.
All right, it's 16 minutes after 7 a.m. You're going all the way to 8 a.m. About no chai be sorry like mediator to us no. Yeah, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some dark posts initiative, some dark posts TV, so no, you stream live. Oh, I don't pay. I bet you job. Say His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the betu Jamaica Crane say it's me at the Ghana card toka. Then no and unfortunately senior bastard the more and I'm so my na His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, flag bearer elect for the new Patriotic Party Tabekase. No, in fact, what she said no assign. May start also evangelist pro about your wati sasam no.
Yes,
wait. Diane, look at your time, 17 minutes. You have 10 minutes to go.
Thank you. Media, my son Emre, Medemre, and a Yamadi, and a member will show you so late. So we will be that. Good. Minya say who communicating now be personal way. I'm say you went on a personal tangent. Say me suba way na.
We go personal tangent.
Ye free move.
Go ahead.
Subject topic. Minya ne wa interest from betina bedwam na gu.
Settle down. I don't know me.
Me go mu fi. Asuma make one year na
Diane. May interrupt any time no.
Diane.
All right. Let's go.
Minya say omo opposition no omo ma alternatives Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ekeka my Ghana for alternatives and Ghana for be send me message say ono opposition no oma alternatives yenye we ebeye we and to them no yamfa nya adwuma ene no Onono Abeye Vice President. And as the Vice President, he is supposed to be the head of the economic management team, not mismanagement. Na Shadia Minuana or Simimbisa Sasemui Mimbisa. See Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2016 I know Ghana for yenye no. Na Gary Olonka Bako na 5 CDs and na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye did to me in a man he is supposed to be the head of the economic management team. Gary Olonka and 30 CDs percentage increase 500%. Now yansan so hwebi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no opposition no my alternatives na essentially one cap.
That topic you
2016. Na 2 cities. And net 2023. And 12 cities essentially.
So fast forward to my topic here.
Percentage increment 500%.
All right.
Enti semi yiminu ando say omo de omo opposition no. Enye de enko yenku an omo kan no omo ma alternatives. And then 7 years. Ya de 2 me na mamo. Muna motene ana nwoma muna munim ede nti na enne yaduru ha.
Okay.
Dr. Kwame Pianim osi enne Diane obia deka $3,000 so.
Say it's also part of a
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya kan watemi emre bi atwam 2016.
Okay.
Na ye check Ghana car which was 120 billion na. No be the car 4,200. It was $1,000. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebe ye vice president ebe hwe Ghana ye economy the economy no. Ghana ni bia the car $3,000.
Enti me pa cho it's me the Ghana card etoka.
Enye nwanwa Diane. enye nwanwa Dr. Mahmood Baumienti Ghana ni bia de saka we $3,000 mame family and $1,000 aye 12,000 cedis enti 12,000 by 3 no aye 36,000 cedis and Ghana ni bia de ka 360 million cedis that's na 42 million Dr. Mahmood Baumienti and na da sorry ya o say ukura Ghana card a wubetumi ade akotoka Dr. Mahmood Baumienti hey Diane enya nwanwa Diane yete nsamo Dr. Mahmood Baumienti samo ba KNUS beka kire asuapon hwe Ghana magunu anim se ne ukura Ghana card a utumi ade toka ana embegunu si buwe wasa aka wo biom Dr. Mahmood Baumienti ya no ka se wo de Ghana ukura Ghana card wo betumi de atukwai unhia passport eye passport Dr. Mahmood Baumienti ya hwehwemu sa na enye no kre Dr. Mahmood Baumienti ya se ene Diane
mitiopa
Ghana card ne kura mi ono obeyi card ye kura mi over 1,000 interchange na mi bisa se Ghana interchange square wo Ghana ni nyina na dodo yese ama wo mfi omo opposition omo ka se omo ba bedi oman so a Ashanti region omo ba ma ye 5 interchange nti anya nwanwa se enne no omo 7 years ni omo ntumi ma Ashanti region one single interchange ka sa Raga Junction ye interchange wo videos na me nuye na o kan se ya na no videos no abrantie bi ka se MPP abai ka se ye interchange wo so nko mo ye yanka sa akwanhia no ensi ana wante ana umuye
na fiti na nti kojo ho ho no sa da ho sa
no
saka
da ho
eda ho
okay and
I wasn't safe.
Our roads has never been safe, but yeah normal be improve na et risk no so
okay
what you see enti omo agina hodi dwa no omo bi na kan nya me na me kan say Dr. Mahmood Baumienti ne nana do ka so meye interchange wo eye no kra na enye no kra
many months
wonte say omo be interchange e wa Raga Junction Diane wonte hey Diane mejiudi ya bibia na ubetumi ate utri enye Wikipedia but Diane Ghana fu ahwe me
omaka
enim say
okay because that means
budget omoye baako 5 ni nyina Ashanti region interchange 5 ebam Santase roundabout omuka so me MPP ni wa ha se de make propaganda enye no kra obeyi anu so omuka se omeye interchange e wo airport roundabout Raga Junction
meti
suame enu mpo de se na nse omakododo ho amagye ho a MPP enti Diane Dr. Mahmood Baumienti say Ghana card ye kura mi enemisi for mo a baby a ye ton ka bia memfa nko metumi dia kotoka but mabru started say omo eka say we dia o say nyesa na no o pa kire say no Dr. Mahmood Baumienti ka bibia wontie no mienu because echina no obeba beka say nyesa na no o pa kire a typical example okay say if the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose you our position okay say our economy never pay no emra we sika nsesaye no ebema wani maguas so that time no na $1 it was to 3.8 and now oba here call 17 cedis to $1 no or say so can say if the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose you and yes sir no pa kire
all right
enti de me pese Ghana 40 ase ne say Dr. Mahmood Baumienti hia no ma good morning hwehwe ba bi awia no wo no oka kire o se hwe soro me pa cho enwi hu mienu hwe fom nyesa bibi ba yew oka se stopper Dr. Mahmood Baumia ka kire o se stopper wu ni boot kura won champa boa tu na mu mrika because bibi ba yew and then yente
all right
oka se from July 2023 Ghana entotofi wa ye ba wo nyina obi abenya Ghana card number me back actually over 4 years Christine me wo ya che 4 years ni me wo ye ahwefo mo amawo July ebepem sabri ya mamu mano Ghana card numbers
all right
okay my man 27 Dr. Mahmood Baumia ka say omo bedi akonya isu a 18 months ekurasi bia ni wa nsuo ebeye problem ekurasi bia ni wa yani toilet ebeye problem tiefidai ebeye problem o se Ghana ni bia benya bank account Dr. Mahmood Baumia yawo enne o se nsemo okaye no nyesa na o pa kire we kire se Dr. Mahmood Baumia ntumi nye Ghana next president omuntumi break it na en sese ye mawo sa kwan no yanto yabama his excellency John Dramani Mahama o si ade ayo o ka eno no ye onka na e kire o meka nkire o se
evangelist Richard real quick
se ye ba program na se betimi de ne topic aba ya ka che
awra ga se ma o ka na ka topic no
ya ka che
me pacho wadaroma obia is the topic mama obia statia no akofani dia ba bi
kakra
obia obia it is not allowed
okay araga nipa ho asem otiase iye di because nipa na ewu
yes
oh so I allowed him to go
so that's why
who of ewu a topic
so that's why you
Diane no of a be ewu so a topic
what so buy no what
here nisa
so you also have to chip
because of ewu
that's chipping yours. That's chipping yours. I will charge you when the show is over. I will charge you. I will charge you. I feel that evangelist. Oh, evangelist. Oh, evangelist.
Who be dear?
No, you have got 28 minutes. Continue.
Then, Yana end this for. Yana omuhuni say Ghana for ne kasache omwana. Na ni Ghana for a kasache omu. Ebinim nimte. Esen ye NDC for na na. Anase afa ne say once am ye NDC na me NDC communicator nimte sin obi a o abonte.
They haven't said that.
Yeah, but now ya so na so ehunu say ne ye ka no. Ye chese wo so ehunu say sabio akonya ne anya abetena ha ye ne ye manfo dumede edi nkomo. Enchese yenim desene wo mo. What has and December wo ha wo ka na sabio so wa na odi gu hu fin. What has say na say ye beka na say ade a unim hu nim de no.
Okay.
Eno a enye bon ba unim hu nim de enzo zo aya asemo. Say
baby okay dey.
Aha, zile mpesa me chase ne say me kama
munyina mo.
Tiase ne say.
Okay.
And just say ne sa.
Okay.
Because ene sa say be betra ha na ye communicate just ye gu ye hu fi.
All right.
What I say.
Cool.
Da
Mira.
Asem ni nyina ne say. Asem ni nyina ne say. Ghana card. O man pani ko 4 pence.
Okay.
Ana obo timpo say. Ehu be hia pa se Ghana ni bia no. Ye be danso. Ye be nya krata ana say card ya. Edi ye ho dance asem ye Ghana ni true. Sa tena Côte d'Ivoire fo nya dadada. Na tuma ka ma tena Côte d'Ivoire. Tena Côte d'Ivoire. Na me ka friend say me better Ghana na. On say o tena ba bi na wusu ana woti ka say bi obete ka za fo na na ayode. Na ba so you bia ne nka. It's there. Those days no. Na Côte d'Ivoire for quarantine.
Okay.
I differentiate Ghana ni ba. And Côte d'Ivoire ni ba. What you say the same card no. But all the card is sorting in na. E who's a wo ye Ghana ni. Wo ye Côte d'Ivoire ni. Wo ye Côte d'Ivoire ni. Wo fi ha. Enu bi na Ghana yes say ayo. And this for antiasi na no say last week na wa ha. Ka je say Ashawan e wo Ghana card e say yes wo ye Ghana ni. And this for antiasi no. Omo paniku for shasi aye. You say register ni pan. Me go my office. That time my office. Omo ba be register aye. That the company will request ya. They will come to your office. It nam was a old manya card but you know sa receipt na the my say the budget card. I have it there. But I no want me anya djuma. Mo betra so 8 good years. Mo jimi amfa pani anwofo Ghana card. Na that dankwa ku for the buy. Yes obi anwo wonimu. Oman Benikufu, ne bana Ghana card. Ninuane Akufuado. Akufuado say, me ba ebadie, wase me hwe na me pejano. Hallelujah. The same no Ghana card. Kwa bi e be fa so e be ba bia no. O say e de amani dim.
Sure.
Ene Yakopo cha ya de. Onumnyamfo, Ira Mahamadu Baumia. Ah odi nim de wo abefo kwan so edidi dwuma de adom no. Ahumbrase kwan so no se Ghana o se nya Ghana card no na se nya Ghana card no a ehun fa so de bubuja.
Okay.
And then this intia say ahoye a o se de na ye o mo za na abayi o se to de you.
Did you say that?
Yes, I said it.
In fact, I don't want you to say bayi.
Oh, some say I'm not can't say bayi. Me say bayi.
So me to me you should be.
What you say? It is bayi. Say so abro. Say so ahoye o. What you say? And they end this for. And yes, sir. And come for today in your Ghana card no. Can you say mo kan ho asem kra? Yes, I know kra. Olunyam for Ghana man pani abedi achi. Mahamadu Baumia, Alhaji, doctor. The doctor can do retire say kra. What you say?
Why? Evangelist. Eliana.
My then.
No, all doctor poche.
Dan on say emergency omume.
Oh, papa.
Ampa obo omume. Because obumia, ko bo kwan so. Okasa, o man na otimi kasa be on say me ba ha me okana say okasa rio. Evi rebata akwa oye kra. E take be 10 minutes. Na mete ha. Man tin just want to for. Where say now?
Mira pa chotos.
Say wo.
Mira pa che kasa.
Eti down.
Maka cho me ka
kosi na say.
Dan makasa.
Me charge awo mo kasa enwi. Awa me na we wa.
Me ka kosi say.
Awo shwazim ko.
O shema robe.
O shwa ho ba ko shwa ho. Ebe wa wunyo we na wa shwa na mamu so ata ma hwe na wa shwa roba na. Ibili si da ko ko. Mama afu na ko.
Oye na
oh the wa shwa ko dey bi ole. Oh dey bi wa kan da.
Can I also go on that?
Say don't work bi ole.
Nina ma ye dinti. Why is he at?
I will not lose focus. They make focus and one and it do your back and you can be
ebe o e fi na me le mazi adin se
ya da wa ma
sisi ai ba na pe asheda na mama nka so na yepona echu ham na wo ntimira yenko
da no say me sabio sa na ma we minim ye pa o but I go buka me ti ya na say oba fe say me ti wani mu a egu mi hu fi
mi pa cha mu anu ko
go bia da chi bia babo wura hu fi o bra
bra me mo abora mi mu mi na mo bra mu po
o ma ho subawe eti dan de meka akosi nyina ne say e no kwasam te ewura ba omi anu nyamfo e ka kire Ghana say o Ghana card no obetimi ayusu na say e-passport adasidi ho last 2 weeks or so me ba me ka kire o say Ghana na ebi e dia dance on social media say
mi hui
ne Ghana card
me
okay ebi anatifo bi e anahwefo bi e hu o ka kire say o te Ghana ha o te amana ne okodu ba bia na police e check no na oni card bia won ho say Ghana card no you Ghana card man
exactly
what's not true you know ka say hey Ghana card no it's like having a whole family on it it is abusua e wo so this because bia o here bia no it is on a Ghana card what you say Ghana card we na e raba o mi aka ko asema che wo no e no ka che wo say obetimi dia toka yeah someone and this what is on what the trials
so if we don't understand it together with a lot of
that's a CI
okay
what call bank o bank o say e ma obosia the fatoka and then a bank in the be free
Ghana card
no what the answer Ghana card we fancy Ghana card ni ho
okay
and then a bank in the be free so ma be say collateral what you say now with your Ghana card anything ebusa collateral because bank resume say na wudwane e be dey sika no it na recover What I say. But with Ghana card, it gives the bank the necessary information. Will be here and they are trading wherever you are.
Yeah.
What I say. It will be a Ghana Butcher. Ghana card no ebe trade use ha wo brono we so if you are team bibia almost abeka what I say. So with Ghana card no it will give you credit for car.
Okay.
What I say.
Yes say because now
o me Ghana card to it am ka say ye ba yie ana abro ana say ho ye ana ye omo a e ne minim de nti a wo say ye kasa
it's explanation na nkuya mankro
saa ba no kana wona afa ne saa se de o offense obi ota wosua wo nanti a o tia na pa no saa na o etu o meka ema ni monyam no ema ewura ba omi ana da bi o baka se ne saa hwe no kwa hwense mo kaka afa ho what I say eti the Ghana card no ema o gidia a wo se Ghana ye creditors no enya omu e ma credit no e kosoro.
All right.
What I say enti onim say me with Ghana card nko an na me here information bia ba bia me trezu bia hu me hu no enti no me de be ma gidie na owu so so de ma no e wo soro because with Ghana card no what they get address ka ba bia wo tie
information yeah it's true.
It's true say and they too kwai this year yeah me too kwai
any baby sao Ghana card
and make one match no me too kwai let me go my passport but still you demand Ghana card.
That's what I'm saying. Say baby sao
I don't know person be tia say I dey na ebo Ghana
well they na yan tia say I say to me the talk car now the explanation didn't go down well with most of us and today he has said this is what Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia meant. Now about Bontia Becca saying star no yede or patry. What would you say about that one?
I don't make a choice. And yes, about Obertram, sir, and yes, I know as a content mentality. And you say that it give you credit facility and more. Me person use Bufuga Emma. Emma. Sir, probability, sir.
Okay.
Obenya opportunity. Ade akode you know. Hi. Oh, Ghana card no. Obetini akọ. You see asem no se see ai. E de Ghana ha nyina. Eye financial institution bia. Bibia e de bibia transaction bia e o Ghana ha bia no. Card ba ko pe e de eje.
Yeah.
And one Ghana card.
Exactly.
Oba mo officer. Obeye claimer. Obeye bibia na Ghana card. Unia. Eti na Ghana 40 as I say afi na time na shiguye no me time na afi na so popu da na me hwe time aha me 2 minutes na aka no eti de tell say Ghana for omu de omu kra Ghana card no de adwuma no obu nim wo tu otesi a license ya wusesi na akwaje o driver license a Ghana o Ghana wo driver's license no odu an kra wo ezo Ghana card ni ho a ye nya mawo what you say eti me be say end is 40 as I say say onim di 40 say Ewura Bawumia e kasem a aya mo ntrase na say do mo fa ko di no mo dwu hu yi asa na mo beka bi anya say da bia mbebu hu woni mu as mo maga na fa hu say enya abra ya na ye baye anya baye a na ya hoye a na mo ye because mo man tibi anya ntino sa na mo beka e na ya kasai accident ye see araga janshi we na ho kan ho asem ye nya araga janshi interchange me bua say 2016 year na e ba Ghana for etim say o say interchange wa araga janshi so me ka 2016 year say 2016 year see e ka for republic year mo e na nya kwanya e di o man so pa kese ase amanyo bia ibi ye ka Ghana kra na mamu kra na mu NDC for from PNDC ya be say abre what you say na as I interchange ya na yana it takes MPP and a Kumasi who interchange.
All right, thank
you. Who fly over. What you say? So no mo na mudi o man so.
All right.
What you say? NTDC o hoy
on be boy with
ene once commentary say na mo ho na car no park and na driver fancy na wan team e o footage wo But we are the woman to know. Come and see what. 24/7. And today, come 24/7. Say, "Baby, what's up, baby?"
Portugal, let me money 2 minutes on Rebata and Portugal.
Now, me must hire Rebata. Oh, that's why Rebata because you're kind.
Obia, Rebata, na. Sister, me time most of them come from a course.
And yeah, dance on a bed, dear. Yeah, bar. Oh, my first topic. On the gas start here. Second topic. Now, me
better my time, no.
Me enjoy time, but says woman, Jamaica be a man about an idea. One the carcass, and I mean, Casa woman about an idea. And you also know, started first topic here. Now, man started second topic. Now, Ubiana quiet, Roberta. And the boy. Yes, and I said, oh, my name is coming.
Middle. Yembo reme o yema ke bibia for our coast street. Me time ninti Mpochwala. Portugal straightforward.
Diane tapo no why lem and you work as
and so we are
Diane yes
and so we are Diane and where they be and where they be any
Kumawu deshie ne wo fa ewu
kachoba kodia na
o kodi ade
edi kumoma nyina konyo
o say in the first place no defend it. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the first way or can say Ghanaians can soon buy cars on credit with Ghana card.
Wouldn't say we were
what the man
or sans we try U10. Becca say I never said Ghana cars can be used to buy cars. Nipa ba kona
brofo
Patrick was evangelist
Asudi kase damondo onye den ma afa nyankopon na asem nyankopon afram nti you I will expect this
nyankopon afram
I will kodo
Diane Dr. Mahmoud Baumia beautiful SMP na waka sempi na waka na oman mu enne wona mabonten a Ghana for etena sema Rafukasem they take his words with a pinch of salt. Omode enchine ene di efa nasem which means nasem nya wonde wo India no nkae ene dey na Ghana gina o se o the new ideas na eba
asam so yankofu bi so de
new ideas no me de waba Nanado Danko Ekufuado or see the enti okofa Baumia ba and say why adwuma o Bank of Ghana da emre bi kura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ka kire say why adwuma o Bank of Ghana da sika aye hia de be chichiro man na o Bank of Ghana and then under him Bank of Ghana boka 60.8 billion susuro eka susuro enti enenu obeda be sori be ka kire o say or they are doing for Frobi ba MPP crown you should be worried and then meaning so be automa Nanado Danko Ekufuado so no him say na memu say na be ya control money da
ebi mo so atama yira mahama mo so mo titi o no so say bebe amafo bebre so start say ko be head eni obebu ya bra yesu
Diane medase obia emre bi o so automa don John Dramani Mahama no ho eneno ombisa no ho onhwe ono ana sitinam sane emre bi papa kofo kan ye hwewa sitinam na to aba it is still holding John Dramani Mahama time also to aba man unu na woto petrol gallon 15 cedis gallon nyina ene what woman Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne nanado woto petrol gallon over 60 cedis What's it when what's our Toma Mahama? But we are happy with sister cities now. Wotton. Sunny Aminia, I can say, Ben year na bino. Diane, me no tiffy. I know a woman me breakfast every hour, woman made you and you know, my medians. Na me jaw ho, or baby, then I won't fair bed that damn. Na me could dinner chi. I fear no pa breakfast and no cry, a problem. Na me see no ye papa chewa.
Thank you
Diane,
so much.
Thank
you so very much. Of course, me brain no I pray or say me be me lies no.
Cause 5 minutes.
Oh, Mira. See so can be Biana. Mira baby ka.
Me do mama kwenya dia mo.
Pacho me 1 minute. Me say me time na so 1 minute when I'm there.
And you had 1 minute.
1 minute. I will yell and make for course. Remember 1 minute.
Dan.
This who my sister when you order me.
But all I know, yeah,
make an say.
Na
menu a Ghana a kaide. Ghana kaide no. Yes, abana you continuity. What? It's Ghana kaide. Eh moka. Na bedu ha you.
Sir.
Na do da kwakufu ado mo obusia bia gigigi o. Na mmom e kaide na no me kan sa se bo ha. E kaide o Ghana ha no. Ya de kano in dollars o.
Okay.
It's not in cities o.
Go on.
E se na bia na ya dollar be cost bia no. E kano e increase. Na nui ya kan so ate 14 billion.
E dent ya.
Ye kotu abusia bia o. Ye peska be kotu abia o. Na mmom sidi na ahode na bamu a e kofom no. Na nya maka no so ate no. Waje ase. It is that time no. Ye Canada so ye.
Mo be fan say.
$2,000 even say $2,000 ah. And I say $2,000 now. Na $2,000 and no. And $2,000 ne no. That be because sidi na ahode abam. Eti o say dey esotie. Eti mo ka mo boy na no World Bank ni rep aka kire mo say Ghana amani hu aye hu ebe ni nya no and IMF aye konya ade edi mo akote pa aye power purchase agreement aye ra ma ko
so very much me brena so patch
you tulu for our team
frame na yenko ye me brena so give me a call of course in some yaka so far also no bit of free Edward Jintre Edia by live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV Sam Darko's initiative Sam Darko's TV so you stream live or there's some more D for you for ba Samsung kwekwe was so and at the refer Vigo Plus for so no jebeta bo masimo kola e wo line no so hello good morning
Mama Mama Diane
now what to say
yo
yenti wa no pe
ma tell that say mama che ba yales well the whole day they be am to TV ni da am ba fa na me di tell we banya roka sasa nyamesum ni wale banya sampa uma yepi pinini hostel na kasa papa no ampa no kulaka ono no masel se to bin papa do anka so e beyo baje se obi fo beyo fo obi fo beyo to bin papa no ma ya no I apply na beye wa kasa sentiment wa moti ma ba kele ke na haidan motumnu no one can come Mahama no be ya na e no bebrebe also to bebrebe Mahama sisi o sant mo ma mo ndielu no be ya na e ka kwa no ya they say mo ma ja boso say no ho nya o next guy I want to plane ajalo wa so no be ya na e mo ka mo question be for some massacre yes I can be yes bye
bye yesterday o papa hello good morning good morning oh when to me exam line that's supposed to be to me Alfred hello good morning okay on kasa mu nyine fiso na mo mama foforo ebreno eko 49 minutes after 7 a.m. Femina Nkwe yakasa bebre you can also contribute hello good morning oh I don't want to make kana Wadawa ma keep trying oh friend winya keep trying for mon check mommy what is going on what is keeping my calls because most or more line of so menti or mon come all right hello good morning hello okay yeah that's that ebema odi for area for ba something kwekwe ye boa pacho temenka udini baby afre me free pacho udini baby afre me free
we can see you do open
mpacho no pay you intiwe
they were MVP now from 100 miles together it's talking that so then I done to do that my Ghana man they break yes we are now every bye
Also waiting me afre na yako yenim anope akamisime du pepe na meko couple of messages are aba hello good morning
madam no
nyame adom na onso e
na mana do musu ho no ati na pra no
all right pachi wa no pay
on the MPP for no we number 4 so adina pa sere ba ni na NDC so na ba ni e take NDC no no adi ha NDC ni take no e kana we are the number 4 so na afi so na do no we so yam so ni an kana na bribu wa ke fan ko beta e kan ko beta nti o ma no sere na no ni sibe na no e ko no enye
yeah, that's it. Nyakopon Oinshraw. Also beating me afraid. I have 9 more minutes to go, so give me a call and let's go. We're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH. Well, hello, good morning. Hello. Oh,
hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me bacho din baby afraid me free.
Yeah, Baba.
All right.
MPP ya so kan ya no ko dia ni babia. Oje oluka se be you know. Ese omu dia ensi ya nke ko ko vote for. How you dey ka ko ya lo? How you dey ka fa on se amuka ni MPP for. Na onu wa ni se wa ba tla o kan ko ani ko yo yo be yi dia. So ko kan se ku ko for no ti won. Se emi MPP for. I
okay. Yeah, that's it. All right, so wait me afraid now. Yeah, 7 more minutes to go. Yeah. So give me a call 0202-668-461 0202-668-461. Frame me now also. For a drink chef, a brady gun and come out to about me to about Ghana in area, Ibubu, Senebea, Ebea Kono, Ede Amaying. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, unfortunately, when see me engine store. Okay, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, munye ni mfiswe osio nkasa na iye mfafufo na iye nko iye nim. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Bacho dini baby afri mi free. Bacho iti wanope. Me pacho mwano nko iti wanope. Okay. Okay, if you're a child, you can also be part of the phone by calling at 0202-668-461. Yeah. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me baby, baby, I'll frame me free. Kwame pacho inti wano pay.
Nsema ya na omukana eya omukiri omuhombe baby omufana se na fa ilimin ngere chema ilimin gote bi mo so na ri na wa ibi mo ka di bia o mo di ya ntu and true ma ayi de kama mo di ba mo proper shuttle ayi president ayi Mahama so and true and proper and community and they do everywhere we are making
o chan chato no
and do mo so be any who can do it and true is usually that's empty different omo for actually ade ni and true Muhammad no yes ya for and you papa no MPP for no Eyon kura nazi ni
Well, I need breaky and boami crab. Well, I need breaking Tino Kebeya, Inca, San Fremi Biumna, Yeshania Sansodiana, maybe wrapping up Nanasa because it was a for me, Louis, more than 10 minutes. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning. I found that you make me and I found that you.
Yenti one pay.
No, you see, I'm just nothing to say. Anyway, I thought about my band, you knew your home. The reason or the my house, I said, I'm not blind, and the person is said, I would be here, they are doing away. Because you're clearly a good one. Ghana, shy, you're telling me, I see it, about me, you are the man of beer, and you're good. If you are okay, I saw the people to as I am. If you only talk about the mountain, the whole of the music, that's about the
okay. May I say, my father's scholar that member name wrap it up. Okay, let's see if I can read this message. I don't know why my system is not opening. Number say messages ka crap ano. Make I edema. Hello, last caller. Last caller. Good morning. Okay, as you know, boy, but then make a message about boy. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning, madam.
Last caller. Me don't pass show the baby are frame me free.
I'm a traffic check for the northeast.
Okay, Pacho 81 of pay.
Madam, only MPP for me. I'm kind of clear. Ghana carry me will be a home in 2 points. If I know, in 2 to the beer. Let's not from Ghana card Nadi. Madam. Oh, Ghana card or Danny Denver. So can you
They need to cut this one.
This is a million 3 pound the beer minutes can be the cost per and to catch them to be sent to Omunia Kakadi, Namaki Fadin, something no that not to be so cut up the Omu 12 Mukano and yet. Hey, we are down cut we are down cut near die. Minisika. Without madam.
Mr. Medas, thank you so much. I couldn't read your messages because my system wasn't opening. See, more the message by Facebook, no more fire and miracle patch or yeah,
me can't cheer for say Makonta Coco from Pong order from America July in the Afina Bushaya and Shaya, a year and Saturday. And Makonta Mrs. Penny Niku. I want